Hey y'all, welcome back to Performance Studio Holistic Health and Wellness. In this video, I'm showing you my war yoga strength training with the Steelmace, which is great for your MMA fighter, all disciplines, with the grappler, with the judo. You're constantly working on biomechanics, strength and understanding. Your proprioceptors really fire on here. And it's an amazing shoulder strength, mobility, core, torque, forearm, full body. Great, especially when you go up in weight. You definitely have to practice this consistently as you increase weight, because this thing really can be exhausting. It can be dangerous, so make sure nobody's around you, because this thing knocks down buildings. Beautiful art, the Steelmace. Next video, I'll get into the Atlas Stone, your ancient basic strength. And then I get into the log presses, your basic strongman style. And then I get into these club bells. I call this a drummer. And then I get into my 40-pound pair kettlebell strength, gorilla strength here, sir. This thing really gets you going. Thank you for your time.